how to compress photos on Android or how to reduce photo size on Android. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. The process was same for Android and Samsung and iPhone. So for that we'll simply go to our browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Now open new tab. Here search file compress cell image. Once you set file that, you guys can see easily compress image at optimal quality in seconds. Also the second website image resizer, so simply click on that second. Once you click here you guys will see image compressor, select images. We simply select the image that you want to compress. After that click on done. Now wait for some second. Your image compresses or size erasing will be started. So we'll wait for some seconds. Here we go, our image compressor was started. Now wait for more second. Here we go, our image was ready. You guys can see our image size was reduced minus 92%. And downside you guys can see download image, so simply click on download image. And once you download image, your image will be downloaded in low size. That's how you guys can reduce it. Thanks for watching.